Hello everyone. In this session I am going to discuss about Booth algorithm for non-restoring division. This is flowchart of non-restoring division algorithm. Again we'll study it by using example. So we'll consider example 8 by 3. So here divisor is 0 0 1 1, that is 3, and dividend is 1 0 0 0, that is 8. First step is start. Then we'll initialize all the registers. So here A is initialized to 0, that is 0 0 0 0. Q is initialized to 1 0 0 0, that is dividend. M is divisor, that is 0 0 1 1. Count is equal to 4. This is initialization step. Next we'll check whether A is less than 0. Again whether A is less than 0, we check by the M is B of the A. So M is B of the A is 0. It means that number is positive. That means A is then 0 is false. That means no. So we'll go here, we'll perform shift left, and then we'll perform A equal to A minus M. In all Booth's algorithm, multiplication, division, restoring, non-restoring, remember to keep this sequence as it is A, Q, M, Q minus 1 in multiplication, because we have to perform shift left operation. If you change this order, then this left shift operation will not be correct. So from here A is less than 0, then no. So we'll perform shift left A Q. So we'll perform shift left. So 0 0 0 1, 0 0 0 0, and a new 0 will be add. Then we'll perform A equal to A minus M. So here A is 0 0 0 1, M is 0 0 1 1. We'll take 2's complement of M, that is 1 1 0 1. So A, that is 0 0 0 1 plus 1 1 0 1 will give you 1 1 1 0. 1 1 1 0 plus Q is remainder as it is, M will remain as it is only value of A will change of 1 1 1 0. So this is A equal to A minus M operation. Now we'll again check with A is less than 0. So based upon this value of Q0 will be set. So if A is less than 0 to 0 will become 0. If A is not less than 0, then Q0 become 1. One more hint, if M is B of A is 1, Q is 0 will become 0. If M is B of 1, so M is B of A is 0, Q is 0 will become 1. So M is B of A and Q0 will be exactly opposite. So A is less than 0. Here in this case, yes, because M is B is 1. If it is in A2 number, yes, so Q0 will be set to 0. This is 1, this is 0. If this is 0, if will be set to 1, Q0 equal to 0. Next count will be decremented by count will becomes 3. Count is equal to 0. No. So we'll again go up to and we'll perform this check A is less than 0. Now in this case it is M is B is 1. It means it is yes A less than 0. So we'll perform shift left A Q and then A equal to A plus M. So this will be left shifted 1 1 0 0 and then 0 0 0. New 0 will be added. A equal to A plus M. So 1 1 0 0 plus 0 0 1 1 will give you 1 1 1 1. So 4 times 1, 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. A is equal to A plus M. Now again we'll check where M is B of A to set value of Q0 a is less than 0, it means S0. So Q0 is set to 0. This one, so Q0 is set to 0. Q0 equal to 0. Again count will be decremented by 1. Count will be become 2. Count is equal to 0. No. So it will go and will check value of a whether it is less than 0. Now m is b of is it is means it is less than 0. So I will again go here and perform shift lefted a equal to a plus m. So shift left this I will go out 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0. This 0 0 1 1 will be as it is. Shift left, then we'll perform a equal to a plus m. 1 1 1 0 plus 0 0 1 1 will give you 0 0 0 1. A equal to a plus m. 0 0 0 0 as it is. 0 0 1 1 as it is. In this case we discard the carry. Whatever carry we generate by addition or subtraction, we discarded it. Now again we'll check from here. We'll check value of a less than 0 m. Value of a is 0, so a less than 0 is no. So we'll go here. Q0 is set to 1. Now see here, value of m is b of a is 0, so Q0 is 1. So exactly opposite of this, so Q0 equal to 1. Count equal to count minus 1. Count will become 1. Count is equal to 0. No, it will go here. So a less than 0. No, because of m is b is 1. Set will come here. Shift left a q a equal to a minus m. It will perform first shift left 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and new 0 will be added and a equal to a minus 1 m. That means 0 0 1 0 plus 2's complement of m, that is 1 1 0 1 will give you 4 times 1. This will be as it is. This will be as it is. Next again we'll check value of from here. Will come here. We'll take value of a whether it is less than 0. Hence b is 1. It means it is less than 0. So Q0 is set to 0. So 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0. Q0 is set to 0. Again we'll decrement count by 1 and count become 0. Count is equal to 0. Yes, it is come here and again check whether a less than 0. Here m is b of b is 1. It means it is less than 0. If it is less than 0, we have to perform is a equal to a plus m. But if it is not less than 0, if it is positive, we have to go directly n step. Now here a less than 0, so we'll perform a equal to a plus m. 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 1. So 4 times 1 plus 0 0 1 1. So we'll give 0 0 1 0. Carry is discarded. It whatever generated by the addition equal to a plus m. After this step we'll go to the end. So at the end we get coefficient and q and remainder in a. So now see here, q, that is dividend is 8 1 0 0 0, divisor is 3 0 0 1 1. So 8 divided by 3 will give you coefficient 2 and remainder 2. Coefficient is 2, remainder 2. Coefficient and q and the remainder and a. I hope you have understand of concepts of non-restoring division algorithm. Thank you.